Remember this year. All you have to
The Delaware State Police has issued an Amber Alert on behalf of the Newcastle County Police Department for Journey Penny Well, a 1-year-old black female, black hair in a ponytail and brown eyes. Was last seen wearing a pink jacket, purple and black pants, and black boots. The child was last seen at the 7-Eleven located at 60 South Delaware Drive, Newark, Delaware, in the company of a black male wearing a gray hoodie, black jacket, and camo pants. They may be traveling in a gray 2010 Nissan Altima, Delaware registration 562644, last seen traveling on 273 towards I-95. If you have any information about this incident, please contact Newcastle County Police Department. This has been an activation of the Delaware Emergency Alert System.